Hey, I'm Bridie Kennedy, the founder of Adorn Cosmetics. Now, whether you're new or existing, you are going to enjoy a few little tips from me here on how to use your products, some little things about the brand that you didn't know, and of course, how we are here to assist you from a customer service perspective as well. I established Adorn in 2009, and right from the very beginning, I've made sure that sustainability and kindness and everything that we can do to minimize our impact has been at the forefront of all of our decisions. Now, what that means is that the products have the highest level of accreditations: cruelty-free, vegan, Australian made and owned, and of course, natural and organic and mineral ingredients in our products. We don't use fillers, we don't use things that are known allergens, and we make sure that everything we have in our products serves a purpose. So all the ingredients serve a purpose. We also don't produce anything that's not necessary. That's being kind to the environment, and it's also kind to you, because we're not producing products without a packaging or out of blister packs or out of hygiene seals, and that's one of the reasons you won't find us in a retail store. If we were to sell in a retail store, the likelihood would be that we need to put our products in boxes or seals. But since we sell online, we can hygienically deliver our products to you without all of that unnecessary outer packaging. Not only is that amazing for the environment, but it's also amazing for you because there is less rubbish for you to toss when you receive your Adorn product. What you may not know, or maybe you do, is that the Adorn brand is Australian made and owned. And in fact, I have sisters, a brother, we've got cousins, aunties, all working in the business, and occasionally I'll drag the husband and the kids in too. So thank you for your order. It truly keeps a lot of Australian people in jobs, and that's something that we're super proud of, because when you shop Australian made and owned, you're keeping all of the resources here, which is of course better for the environment because there's less travel involved, and of course we're looking after the amazing country that we live in. Now, whether you're a new Adorner or an existing one, I thought I'd take you through how you can contact us if the need arises. We are one of the very few brands left that still has a phone that you can reach for and speak to us if you need to. So of course you can call us, email, and we respond within 24 hours if it's a business day. And there's also a live chat feature which is on the website, and you can also organise to pick up your order in Keysborough, Victoria, or you can also come in and have a look at some of the products. We do occasionally have open days, so make sure you're on our email list if that is of interest to you. And in fact, I recommend that you're on our marketing email list so that you do not miss out on any of the beautiful offers and new products that we have available over the year. I wanted to take you through how we pack our products to get them lovingly to you. You'll notice that the bag is a biodegradable bag. Please keep it because you will use that to put your empties that can't be refilled and return that to us so that we can recycle that packaging on your behalf. You'll also notice that your product has been lovingly gift wrapped with a stretchy, what we call honeycomb paper. It's made from recycled sources, and we encourage you to keep it and use it for gift giving throughout the year. Now, whether you've purchased a sample or a full-size product, you will notice that most of our products have a QR code on the back. Now, what you need to do is scan that, and if there's anything that you're wanting to know about the product, whether it is cruelty-free, vegan, you can't remember our accreditations, which all of them are those, all of that information is on the product page where that QR code will take you. It'll give you a full list of the ingredients, how to use it, and of course, tutorials. So we're going to hold your hand and show you how to use this product every step of the way. One thing that we're really proud about with our products, also taking into account the environment, is the multi-use function of our products. So whether it's a lipstick, try it as a cheek stain. Whether it's an eyeshadow, would it suit as a blush? Would the blush look good as a lipstick? Maybe your foundation is too dark at the moment. Could you use it as a bronzer? Just because we call them a lipstick, a blush, or a foundation does not mean that that's all they can be used for. And in fact, we make sure that most of our products can be used for 2 or 3 different things so that we can guarantee full use of the product for you, which is great value for money, but it's also better for the environment because the chances are then you'll finish the whole product. And if you're someone who likes to keep things simple, you don't need as many products. So I encourage you to try your product, whether it's a sample or a full size, somewhere else. Whether you want to have a little window shop or you need to reorder some Adorn, navigating the website is really easy. You can either use our search bar by typing in any word, and then you'll find some examples that you might want to click on. You can use the mega menu, which is the menu at the top of the website, and all of the products are located there. So if you want to shop by size, you'll find that located in that mega menu drop down or within the product itself. So you can jump onto the product and you'll find a drop down menu, and you can purchase a sample, refill, travel, or a full size on the one screen. If you're wanting to shop all travels, then just go to the travel page. All samples, go to the sample page. The same with refills. So it's really simple to either shop by the product, then the size, or shop by the size and just add the product to your cart. Now, something else that I want to tell you about, and that is our loyalty program. You are mad if you do not sign up for this. The loyalty program gives you points for virtually everything you do. And I know so many of the thousands that are already there enjoy it immensely. It's part of a community, but you also get rewarded with vouchers that you can use off future purchases. What I'd also recommend is joining the Adorner's exclusive Facebook group. It's a private group where you'll get to chat with me. I'm often in there live, but what I love is that it's a community that builds confidence through makeup and skincare. Without you, there is no us. So we look forward to you becoming a loyal Adorner who falls in love with the brand as much as we love creating it for you.